Hey guys, it's Steve here at Hankster's Hot Rods, and what we have for you today is this beautiful 1986 Monte Carlo SS. And starting at the front, we're going to do a walk around to go around the vehicle, features of exterior, and so on. Starting at the front, first thing you notice on this vehicle, it is black. This is one of the black ones. It does have the red, orange, and the light orange striping that goes the whole way around with the Monte Carlo SS decals, and we'll go over that as we do our walk around. This is the original color on this car, so this is the correct color. Moving along back here, our wheels, we do have the factory aluminum Monte Carlo SS rally wheels on here with the BF Goodrich raised white letter radial TA tires. Coming back to our first gap, very nice and even going down. Body lines line right up there between our driver's fender and driver's door. We do have the dual body color mirrors, exterior mirrors on both sides. Our windshield glass, driver's side, and our side driver's side windows, no chips and cracks, very nice condition. Before I get to our second gap, one thing I do want to point out, another major feature on this vehicle is it has T-tops. It's got the removable panels here, and they are also in great condition. As you can see here on the driver's door, we've got the Monte Carlo SS decals, and like I said, the striping goes the whole way around the body. Our second gap, the driver's side quarter to door gapping, very nice and even going down, and the body lines line right up there. Next, we're going to open up the driver's side door, let you see the interior from this point of view. You can see the door jambs are in great condition. Interior is very, very nice. You got the gray interior, gray cloth, factory steering wheel. It is a tilt wheel, does have the factory radio in it. It is power locks and power windows. Automatic on the floor with the 204R transmission. See the odometer does say 12,161. That is the actual miles. 12,000 miles on this vehicle. It's very low. It's why it's in such great shape. Coming back here again, the paint all over the car is in great condition, especially for the year. It is really nice. Our back window glass, we do have rear defrost on this vehicle. Back window glass, no chips and cracks. It is in great shape. Our trunk gapping the whole way around, nice and even. As with the Monte Carlo SS's, we do have the trunk mounted rear wing. As you can see, we got the decals on the trunk lid there. What we're going to do now is I'm going to open up the trunk and we'll go over everything in here. We do have our option sticker here. Jack's decals here. Underside of the trunk is body color. Do have our light does work here. Inside the trunk, we do have a spare tire in Jack. It is a donut spare. We do have the floor mats and the leather T-top bag. Our weather stripping intact and in great shape. Our jambs whole way around, no rust or holes in there. We do have the trunk carpet here, but you can see the floor is in amazing condition. It is really nice shape. Everything, it's all coated inside here. You can see all your indentations and everything are intact. Moving along, coming around to the passenger side. Again, I'll go over with the paint. Paint is very nice, really shines, especially for the black, just really stands out. Again, on this side here, as I mentioned, we've got the decals, the striping going down. Passenger side glass. No chips and cracks, really great shape. Our first gap, passenger side quarter to door. Nice and even going down. You can see our body line lines right up there. Next, what we're going to do is open up the passenger side door, let you see the interior from this point of view. Again, the door jambs are really nice shape. You can see the seats are in great condition. The dash is really nice. Console's in great shape. The interior is very nice on this car. Moving along. Second gap passenger side, door to fender. nice and even going down. You can see our body lines lined right up there. Passenger side windshield, no chips and cracks. And our hood gapping is very nice on both sides and around our front there. You can see the paint, great shape. Our front fascia, also in great shape. You do have a couple nicks down here, little areas around that bottom black section here, but overall the front is really great shape. Headlights in great shape. Our grille, I don't see any chips and cracks in that. And both sections of those headlights are in nice condition. What we're going to do now is I'm going to pop the hood and we'll go over everything under here. Under here, everything pretty much stock. You see our hood light does indeed work. What we have here is the numbers matching 305 high output that came in this vehicle when it was new. As you can see under here, pretty much intact. We got our decals here, we got power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Everything pretty much as it was, which is really hard to find in these cars. Definitely in this condition. Really beautiful car inside and out, under the hood. What we're going to do now, lift it up in the air and show you what the undercarriage looks like. Hey guys, we got our 86 Monte Carlo up in the air. We're going to go through the undercarriage, everything as we normally do, starting at the front. Control arms, suspension, looks to be stock style. We do have disc brakes on the front and drum brakes in the rear. We do got the stock aluminum rally wheels, as I mentioned earlier, all the way around. Our front cross member here, nice and solid, no holes, rust on that. We do have a front sway bar on this. Our oil pan on our 305. Our rear main seal, our transmission pan, and our output seal, all nice and dry, no leaks there, all looks really good. We do got the exhaust come down off the manifolds, duals into a single catalytic converter, out single, back into dual pipes, into dual mufflers, which we'll go over as we get back there a little further. Our front frame sections. Look really good there. Our transmission cross member. Really good there. No holes or rust in that. We've got our e-brake cable going back there. Our floors, really nice. Very, very nice condition. You got all your embossments here. Coming back here, you got your drains, both sides, embossments here. Everything looks really good. Very nice floor under here. Underneath of the car is very great. Very, very nice condition. Moving along, balanced drive shaft. Our dual mufflers I had mentioned, pretty much stock style. Not saying if they're original or not, but they are stock style. They do got the GM letterings on there. Our rear suspension here. Mounts look good there, front and back. We do have a rear sway bar here. Stock style shocks on the back. We do have the coil springs also. The exhaust comes up over the axles, up and around and out the back on both sides, either side of the fuel tank and our spare tire tub here as well, and those goes out the back. Drum brakes on the back, as I mentioned. Our flooring above your rear differential, that looks really good. Our straps for our tanks look good. Our mounts are good. Front and rear tank looks really good. That is painted black. We do have a 10-volt differential in the back here, our differential cover, and our input seal, nice and good, no leaks there whatsoever. Besides that, everything else looks really good here, really nice underneath the car here. What we're going to do now, guys, is slow it down and start it up so you can hear it run.